Hey guys, as you all know, I just went to a homestay and just unloaded the luggage, like the boxes that I had. Now I'm heading towards Hebbe Waterfalls. The scene at a Hebbe Waterfalls is that you have to go up to particular point and take a jeep which are available there. So because I'm a solo, I don't know how is it gonna be. So hopefully there would be some group wherein I can join in them and go to Hebbe Waterfalls. Hope for the best. I've reached the checkpost. Uh, Here jeeps are not available, so they are asking us to wait, and estimated time is not available. Like how long it's gonna take is not available. So this is the checkpost. So this way leads to Z point, which I'll not be going. So all the park, if you are planning to go to Hebbe Falls, you have to take a ticket of 500 rupees, in which 400 rupees will be a jeep cost and 100 rupees will be entry. You cannot take your private vehicles, no matter what vehicle you have. They do have a toilet facility and a waiting room facility, but there's nothing such as a scheduled time like this is, or a estimated time. This place is like 70 kilometers away from Chickmagluru town, but it took me approximately 2 hours to reach here. Um, and it's like if you reach the waterfalls, you will be given max to max 3 hours, and then you'll have to return back. So they have not collected any money, they have just asked us to wait, and not sure how long we have to wait, so plan accordingly. Finally our jeep is here.
This is where jeeps will drop us. We have to walk for about 1 kilometer. That should hardly take us 20 minutes.
And they have asked us to be back within 1 hour. If we don't come back, they're gonna wait for like 5-10 minutes and then leave, is what they have told. So we have started our walk. So as per my knowledge, there will be 3 water streams that I need to cross. The bridge was in construction when last time we visited, So I'm not sure the bridge completion, like what they were building a small bridge on the water streams. So if that is completed, then we need not to cross the water streams.